Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. So I want to talk to you for a moment about Magicycle. And this is the Magicycle Deer Step-thru 20-inch, formerly known as the Magicycle Deer Mini. So I'm going to make a couple of changes. Here's what I've decided to do. If you follow my channel for a while, you know that I have the Zora bike, the Zora Master cargo bike. And it's a huge bike. It's really long. And it's got great cargo capacity, big huge basket back here, a rack and a basket attached here. And hey, my thought originally was I'm going to do all my shopping on this bike, and it's been good for that. I've made some shopping trips and things, but in an effort to kind of minimize or reduce the number of bikes I have here in the garage, I've decided that this is not going to be a long-term bike, and that I'm probably going to offer this up to someone here in the near future. But to do that, I need to do something different over here, because this is my primary bike now. This is the bike I use for everything. So I've got a front rack from Magicycle. Thanks Magicycle for sending it to me. I'm going to stick that on here on the front, and I'm going to attach it with the thumb screw so I can easily take it off, because if I'm riding like off trail or something, which I do periodically, I don't necessarily want big old baskets hanging on the front. So I'm not going to put a basket on here. I'm just going to use the rack so that I can put things and strap it down to give myself a little extra cargo carrying capacity. But for the back here, I really do like the idea of being able to install a large basket, kind of like what was on the Zora Master over there. The problem is the racks that they install on this bike, and I don't know if the regular size Deer is the same, or even the Ocelot Pro. Somebody tell me if you own either of those. Are there connection points on the rack? Because on this rack there are no pre-drilled holes to be able to add a basket. And here's the thing, guys. They market this. They market the Deer as an e-SUV. Okay, and we're going to make a video about that soon, talking about that. But basically, we all know what an SUV is, for a utility vehicle. It's multi-purpose. You can take it off-road. You can throw your family in it. You can go grocery shopping. So for a true SUV-style bike, I want to be able to do more with it and not have it like a cargo-style bike over there. I want it to be more utilitarian, more useful for more ways. I'll never have a problem, or I'll never have a need to carry small children, so I don't need cushions, and I don't need foot pegs or running boards or anything like that. But I do want more cargo capacity for this bike. So if you have any thoughts or ideas about what to do about adding a basket, first I need to find a basket, because Magicycle doesn't even sell rear baskets on their website. They don't have them listed. Maybe that's why they don't, because maybe all their racks are this way. I don't know. But I'm thinking about going ahead and drilling a couple of holes into the rack to make some connection points. Of course, I'm not going to do anything like that until I actually have a basket, so I can line everything up. And then I will attach the basket with thumb screws, so I can easily attach it when I need to go grocery shopping and carry some bigger stuff. But then for every day-to-day use, it'll be like probably in this configuration right here. That's my thought process. So if you have any ideas about a basket, about how to attach a basket, well, let me know in the comments down below. Help me out here. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get this rack installed, and go ahead and put it on the front with some thumb screws, and we will see what that looks like sometime here soon. Maybe we do it right now. You want to do it right now with me? Yeah, let's just do it right now. Let's see. Where are my thumb screws? There's only 3 of those. Hopefully these are long enough. Alright, so we're just going to pop out these existing screws. Okay, first of all, let's make sure these fit. These might be smaller. Oh, they are smaller. Okay, so these are I believe these were M5. And I'm going to have to go buy... No, I don't. Hold on. Okay, on other baskets and things, it would be an M5 screw. This is bigger, so I think it's going to be an M6. I don't have thumb screws, but just to test the size, that's what we need. So these are M6. They're just regular screws, cap screws. See, M6. So I need to get some M6 thumb screws now. M6, 12. Okay, so for now, we're going to go ahead and use the existing screws they gave us and put these back on here. So, all right. Now they also sent they sent extra screws, and you do have the adapter here and some zip ties, but you have the adapter here to extend the light. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to extend the light out here onto the end of the rack because, you know, I want to be able to take this rack on and off. So I'm going to leave the light attached right down here. It's not in the way of anything. The light will move with the steering wheel when you turn it, versus being out here it won't. So yeah, now I just need to get a couple of those Tri-Lancer straps that I like right here. Here's one. Get a couple of those, put it on here, so I'm ready to go if ever I need to grab maybe something from the store. I have a little extra space. I can you know, strap something down. All right, guys. So that's what it looks like right now. I think it doesn't detract from the looks. I think it still looks fine. Now, yeah, just got to figure out a rack for the back and a basket. But hey, that's it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If this was helpful to you, let me know down below. If you have solutions for what I'm trying to do here, leave those comments down below as well, and I would appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video soon.